What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Relaxes More. I ain't want nothing. I really just wanted to come and drop off this tutorial on how to install MAINSTAYS 3-in-1 over the door hanger or organizer. So what y'all want to do is you really want to start with these. You want to adjust these depending on the length of your door, close to the bottom. And how you adjust these, just if you're curious, you push the strap. You see what I'm doing? You push the strap in and out, and you pull it to bring it lower, and you push it to bring it higher. So now, what I feel like you guys came to see is put that clasp, place it in that clasp, and you pull it up. You pull it up till it's tight enough, you got enough slack, and all right, pay attention. Right here, you see the little spikes right here? I really can't put it in the words right now. You see what I'm doing? And boom, you got it set up. You got yourself a 3-in-1 over the door organizer. I hope this was informative. Make sure y'all leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gone. Oh, and be on the lookout. I got a big project coming soon. I needed this because I'm redecorating my room. I'm doing a video on that. So yeah, stay tuned.